Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when you intend to go to your bed, you should perform ablution as is performed for prayer. Then lie down on your right side and invoke, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have entrusted my face to you and entrusted my affairs to you, and I have placed my back in your protection, pinning hope on you and fearing you. There is no refuge and heaven except with you. I believe in your book which you revealed and in your prophet whom you have sent. This supplication should be your last utterance. If you die during that night, you will die on nature, Islam. Hazrat Bara radiyallahu anhu says, I repeated these sentences in order to revise and said, Amantu bi rasulika alladhi arsalat. He sallallahu alayhi wa sallam whereupon said, say, Amantu bi nabiyyika alladhi arsalat. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6820.